Open house, Saturday, April 8th, 11 to 1 p.m. Come check out this 3-bedroom 2-bath home listed for $227,000. Beautifully maintained home with lots of updates. The kitchen has ceiling height cabinets for plenty of storage space, a lazy Susan, and is open floor plan to living room. The living room has an awesome ceiling fan, a great conversation piece. The large rec room downstairs could also be a 4th bedroom as it has 2 windows and 2 closets. All you need to do is unpack your bags and welcome home.